Police have revised the protocols as it relates to investigating missing persons. Before, there was a wait of 24 hours. That has changed. Almost a year now, that protocol has changed. So the police will immediately take a statement and do an assessment of the statement, and then that will determine whether or not they launch an immediate investigation. In this case, we understand the concerns of the family, and we are investigating whether or not the police follow their protocol. What I can say is that with these matters, the police have been able to, within a very short period of time, bring a perpetrator in for questioning and then proceed swiftly to trial. The issue now is whether or not examples can be made of the persons who have committed the crime without in any way impairing justice. And the cry now is for justice.